Welcome back, everyone, to this last episode of the Allen Bradley PLC with SQL. And this is step 3 video where we're going to see how we're going to retrieve the SQL data to our PLC that we logged in step 2. So let's start. So as you can see here, this is our SQL table where we logged the data in step 2, and this is what we are going to try to retrieve back to our PLC. So if I jump here to the PLC, so I already have step 3 logic. So and I'm using the SQL select to do that. So all I have to do right now, just toggle this bit in here, and I should have my data in this table right here. And once I retrieve it, I'm gonna stop the retrieving process because I just want to retrieve it once, and that's it. So let's toggle this bit. So we're just waiting now on it to retrieve the data, and here we go. So now we can see the counter, it's done, and the data has been retrieved. Now let's just do a quick check. If I look at the data in this table, and I'm just going to bring it here. Okay, so here is so we've got 4 columns, we got 30 rows, so all that looks good. And if we look at our columns and we look at the data, so for example, this is our first row, timestamp, and if we look at the data here, the first row for instance, so here is the data, it's in there. And if I look at, for example, column number 3 where we have the values, so values, and let's look at some of those values and just compare them to what we have in the SQL table. So 664,314 for the first transaction. If we look here, the same value, 664,314. And that's concludes step 3. I will see you in step 4. Thank you for watching.